This is DRC's new fighter jet airplane, and this thing looks awesome. So let's take a look closer. Look at this thing. You have two fighter jet fan turbines inside here. This is cool. You got your wings, so don't forget to put your wings on. Place your silicone nose on here. You should be able to pop that rubber piece in place. So make sure you get that rubber piece in there. And you could go like this and just kind of set it down in. And same for the bottom. Just kind of take that and you set it down in. Just like that. And that just kind of protects the front end. Your battery goes inside here. And that just kind of pops off. And then you go and you can pop that right back on. Put your wheels on. Make sure the wheels are the same wheels and line them up right.